Okay, Talia and I made the mistake of eating ice cream with Carmelia around. So anytime one of us brings up a spoon, Carmelia's always getting ready with the mouth. Watch. Ice cream. Ice cream. She's trying to take your ice cream.
עוד אחד בזה.
Woo! Ice cream!
די, מספיק.
Now just try and bring the spoon up to your mouth and see what she does. Do you like ice cream, Carmel? Do you like ice cream? Okay, that's enough ice cream for you, otherwise you're not going to get to sleep tonight.
אחד בזה. זהו.
No more ice cream! That's it! No more! No more ice cream! You want more ice cream? More? You want more ice cream? What, do you want ice cream?
מספיק חמודה, מספיק. צריכה לשאול.
She tries to take the ice cream by herself. You want more ice cream? More?